Today I'm going to be demoing this Flamingo phone holder. It's super cool. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video, as well as my love of flamingos, are my own. I love flamingos, and this one is super cool. This is a phone holder. It goes like around your neck, and it's like really bendy, and it has like squishy stuff inside to keep its shape. So it goes something like this. Okay, so on its head is where you put the phone holder. Hold on. So here's the phone holder itself. You just take this piece off. You put the little screw part on the ball. And then you pop that in place and you tighten it down. There's a little button right here that if you push the button, it extends those things, and then you can put your phone in and clamp it shut. He really is just the cutest thing, and you can see how bendable and flexible, but also how sturdy it is. It is just standing up on its own. So, super cool idea. Love it. So, this is what it looks like when it's on. You can sit on the couch and have the Flamingo hold your phone, which is super cool. And yeah, this is way better than any of those weird neck clamps that I've tried before.